Hi everyone, so it's been a while since I filmed any video on this channel, and I feel that I wanted to film some videos. I might not be uploading consistently onto this channel, but still I'd like to do some videos, and I'd like to shoot some videos, and I might like to upload some of them here on this channel. And the reason for this is because sometimes I want to basically talk to you guys in English, but I haven't been really filming videos in English on my main channel, and there is a big audience there on my main channel, so sometimes I'm not sure if you know where I'm coming from. I feel that when you have a big audience on one channel, there is significantly more pressure on you to manage that audience and to keep them entertained, and you feel that you are not so willing to take so much risk anymore on your main channel because there is the big audience there. And in a way, this does stifle creativity, because when there is a big audience there, you want to keep producing and releasing content that the big audience like, and you don't want to displease the bigger audience by uploading stuff that they're not so used to and mess up the analytics over there on the main account. So here I am recording an English video entirely in English to you guys, for you guys. And today I'd like to talk about confidence. And the reason for this is because I posted something on Instagram story the other day. I think there was a quote that I posted on Instagram, and that's a little strange because I wanted to take a look at my notes, the speaking notes that I have today, and for some reason I just don't seem to be able to find it. Let me see if I'm able to see it now. Okay, yes, I've got my notes with me now. So I posted something the other day on Instagram story about confidence, and there was this beautiful woman. I don't really remember her name. Probably that she's a movie star or something, and she said, I'm confident, but it's not because how incredibly beautiful I am. I'm confident and comfortable in my own skin, but that's not because how beautiful I am. And I posted that, I shared that on my Instagram story. Interestingly, many of you reacted, and many of you engaged with that story and said that you have something to tell me about confidence, and you have so much to say about confidence. And I asked you guys what you think or what you thought about that quote. And some of you guys knew what I was saying, and you basically understood me when I said that I agreed with the post, and I agreed with the quote in the sense that I do feel that confidence is a choice. I do feel that confidence is a decision. I do think that you don't need to be an incredibly beautiful person to be confident. You don't need to be rich to be confident. You don't need to be dirty rich and crazy rich to be confident. You don't need to earn millions to be confident, and you don't need to be living in a big house to be confident. You don't need to own a YouTube channel that has more than 1 million views to be confident. Basically, the definition of confidence basically dictates that you're comfortable in your own skin. You don't need external approval, and you don't need other people's praise to feel good about yourself. So I felt that I do feel that, as I have as some videos online I've watched have said, that confidence is a choice, confidence is a decision. And you, as an English teacher, I do feel that confidence is an issue that we should in particular talk about with our students, because without confidence they can never open their mouths. Without confidence they can never feel secure enough to speak and to start speaking and start practicing their English, however imperfect it is. So when I said confidence is a choice, I didn't mean that you don't need to be good at something to a certain extent to be confident, but I don't think that you need to be exceptionally good at it to be confident. So it's like being happy, and it's like being rich. It's like the logical connection between having money and being happy. You don't actually need to earn millions to be happy. Happiness is now, and it's your choice. And you don't need to be a millionaire to be happy. You can still choose to be happy as long as you can support yourself. And actually, there isn't as much and as strong a connection between wealth and happiness as you think. There are millions of people out there. There are millions of millionaires and billionaires and trillionaires out there who are not happy. Even though they live in big houses, they're not happy. And I learned this because I'm a regular watcher of Gary Vee's video. I'm not sure if there is one day when I can meet him, but anyway, there is another story. That is another story. So what I was saying is, there is actually not as strong as you think a connection between being wealthy and being happy. And confidence is the same. There are many people who feel that you need to get 100 marks in an exam to be confident. That's simply not true. Even if you get 80 marks, you can choose to be grateful, and you can choose to feel comfortable and good about your performance and yourself. You don't need 100 marks to feel confident. And I want you guys to rethink confidence. I want you guys to think about what I said, because if you think that you need 100 marks to be confident, it's like you feel that you need to earn millions to be happy. Think about the last time that you feel that you needed $1 million to be happy. After you, say, met your goal, and after, say, you achieved your earning goal, and you managed to earn $100,000, did that really make you happy? If your earnings and if the fact that you have met your goal didn't really make you happy, what makes you think that earning another $1 million will make you happy in the future? And the fact that you are thinking that earning $1 million will make you happy, this thinking, you adopt this kind of thinking, and you choose this kind of thinking because you want to procrastinate, and you don't want to make the effort to be happy, and you don't want to think about happiness. You want to just attach happiness to some sort of number and simply forget about it. You don't want happiness badly enough. That's what I think. And when people say that confidence is conditional upon achieving some goal, I feel that they don't really know confidence, and they don't really realize the importance of confidence. Confidence is not arrogance. It's not the lack of self-awareness. You can be perfectly aware that you are not the best speaker of English, or you are not the highest earner in the world, and you are not the best father or mother or daughter in the world. You can be perfectly aware of that, and yet be confident. So confidence is not arrogance. It's not the lack of self-awareness. When people say that they feel that confidence should be conditional upon something, I see where they're coming from, because they're afraid or they worry that people will think of them as coming across as arrogant. People will think of them as lacking self-awareness. But I don't think they should care about other people's opinion over how important confidence actually is. And confidence, by the way, I think one very important reason why you shouldn't attach confidence to a number is that confidence, there is no confidence switch on your body. So you cannot simply say, I switch on the confidence switch, I switch on my confidence, and then you are confident starting from that day onwards. Confidence doesn't work that way. Confidence is a muscle, and you have to constantly work that muscle. It's just like any muscle in your body. You have to constantly work that muscle to be more confident in yourself. So it's not like after getting 100 marks, or after having getting 100 friends, I will suddenly be happy, or I will suddenly be confident. Confidence simply doesn't work that way. And this is why, if you want to be confident, and if you feel that confidence is in any way important to your life, you should choose to be confident starting from today. At least don't attach a number to it. If you're still not convinced about what I say, you still want to attach a number to it, think about whether you are too harsh in yourself. Think about whether you want to attach an more easily achievable number to confidence. For example, you used to think that you need to achieve Band 9 in IELTS in order to be confident. Can you be confident simply after achieving, let's say, a Band 7 in IELTS? Can you simply be confident after, say, achieving a 5 in IELTS? And let's say if you are convinced of what I say, you don't feel that you should attach confidence to a number, maybe you can think about not attaching it to a number at all and start practicing confidence from today. Because if you attach confidence to a number, there will be a period when you suck at something. And when you suck at something and when you don't have confidence, because that confidence will appear only if you achieve a certain goal, during the period when you suck, when you're practicing your craft and when you are becoming better, that period of time, you don't have the benefit of having confidence. You are miserable and you are not confident in yourself because you feel that you need to be confident only after achieving a certain goal. And what happens to you when you are just starting out learning English or learning anything for that matter? When you're starting out, you suck at something. That's how things work. That's how learning works. And when you're starting out, you're not good at something, you don't feel confident at all. So how are you going to start? How are you going to start if you're not confident? Think about that. Because you need confidence whether or not you suck at something or not. Whether or not you're bad at something or not, you need confidence. Confidence is a tool. It's a tool for you to excel in life. It's a tool for you to get started in life. It's a tool for you to stop worrying. So that's what I think about confidence. I think I have rambled on for more than 10 minutes. I hope this video didn't bore you. And if you've liked this video, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. And I would like to record more of these sorts of videos if you've enjoyed it, because many of you have asked me whether I'm going to talk about confidence on Instagram or YouTube. And I have chosen to focus on YouTube and my podcast this year. I hope I can continue to do so. And to do so, I need your encouragement. Please do make sure that you are subscribed to this channel and hit the notification bell to make sure that you don't miss any future video updates from me. See ya. Bye.